watu usohuya litambwa ngingalonge wakati umosha wonge tanwa myakumula watu usohuya litambwa ngingalonge wakati umosha wonge kansobuya ni ubuya ni bebuya ni ubuya ni kansobuya ni ubuya ni bebuya ni ubuya ni ayiwena dalu ngoshile khitiyo yami iphulile imizwa yami imoshile wahlala ngothando lwami ngifile bathi usuthola bangcono ikutel hamba ngebholo uthanda amabathu unatha nevota awulengo yakhe wrong dali usuphenduka ikanke dala utholakali nefona usayibambi baby sasithando sami kodwa Khitiyo yami ifuna wena noma kunjalo Ikhanza nemaphutha akho Sengahlalela ibuka isithombe sakho Dinyembeti sekwaba yinto esethude Laphutha laze laphela ikhandlela Solo nginethemba utobuya Sithandwa sami ngiyakhumbula Ngiyakhumbula wami wathi uzobuya litambwa ngingalonge wakati umosha wonge tanwa ngiyakhumbula wami wathi uzobuya litambwa ngingalonge wakati umosha wonge kansobuya nini ubuya nini bebuya nini ubuya nini kansobuya nini ubuya nini bebuya nini ubuya nini
Awusabambi phone bethu hambene bemaphone I try to follow you've been gone for so long I'm left on my own usujabulisa abanomona ngidinga itoothpick angani ngidla amathambo engcondo ngihlela isendlini khumbula isithandwa sami usebenzile wangishawa emsebenzini kamanzini kumngane wakho usilindile kwamanje ngisamlindile sasengifuleni mhlahamba kwakubuhlungu ekubona umuka ushiya ngimile impilo imuncu uyanini ukhumbula ubusuku nemini uyakhumbula sidoko black and white I never thought you break my heart I was your bodyguard besingayisebenzisi i-protection uthi abantu bethingo electric blanket boshise ebhedeni manje uyangibhedela mangibhedela ngikulandela udedela ngisele ngiyadedema amabhebeza ngingimemeza I wish you come back my baby take me away from the pain ngaphandle kwakho I'm not okay I wanna be free from all the stress you made my life a mess rapper phezu kwebithe namapets ngiyakhumbula always ekhaya ngihlezi ngikhala sihambe sidla ngekhala ikhekha ngisalazi kwamele ngime emva kwehashi khona lizongibhakela udokotela but ngehlule ku-admitha ukuthi awusekho ofuna kwazi ukuthi ngikukhumbula kanganani ngizomezha ngani ngoba sidakwe siphuza amarula and ukhohlanga wakho ukho lula inini ifuneral ngoba uthando kwalisekho and it's my fault umjolo usungishayile ngivula ikhesi e-assault
tanwa ngiyakhumbula wami wathi uzobuya litambwa ngingalonge